In this video, I want to talk about how you can trade futures on Webull. To do this, we want to apply for futures trading, which we need to use the app. So make sure you download the Webull app on your phone, and after that, you just want to follow these steps. Download the app, and you want to apply within the app. So head to Menu, Settings, Manage Account, and find the futures. Inside of here, just apply for futures and wait until you get accepted. After that, you want to fund your account, so just deposit some money or make sure you have money on it. Find the future that you want to trade. So go to the trading section and select futures, or you can just search for the individual contract. Once you're there, you just want to place your trade normally like you would place any other trade. So select buy or sell, choose the order type, enter the number of contracts, and set your price. Once you've done this, just press confirm, and you have now started trading futures. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.